Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on CSS layouts, and right now we'll be discussing about the position property. The position property specifies the type of positioning method used for an element, and we are having static, relative, fixed, absolute, or sticky position we can specify. The position property specifies the type of positioning method used for an element. There are 5 different position values we can specify. We can specify static, relative, fixed, absolute, or sticky. So all these 5 values are the one we can use along with this position property. So, and also again, I want you to note right here is that elements are then positioned using the top, bottom, left, and right properties also. However, these properties will not work unless the position property is set first. They also work differently depending on the position value. So definitely you should note that anytime you specify position property and you give it value, is either static, relative, fixed, absolute, or sticky value you specify, you can now then control your document, your element again using the top, bottom, left, and right properties, because without this position property you won't be able to use these top, bottom, left, and right properties. I'm going to be showing you how all this works together and form something nice for us. So I just want you guys to be active and stay tuned and stay focused, because I've discussed about this in our previous tutorial also, where we discussed about the CSS layout in our HTML layout also in our previous tutorial. You can just check our HTML position property or CSS position property in our HTML positioning. So I'm just going to be exploring this in deep details. And what akorede ayofe is my name once again. I wish to see you guys next time to the next tutorial. Peace and love. Have a great day. Thank you so much. Bye.